Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the Skewb Xtreme. This tutorial is assuming you already know how to solve a Skewb, but in case you don't, the process is pretty simple. Just solve a layer and then solve the rest of the corners and the centers using a bunch of sledgehammers and hedge slammers. I have a video on the algs I use which you can find up in the corner there. Now, the thing that sets this cube apart from the Skewb is that the centers need to be oriented correctly for it to be solved. It's like a super cube version of the Skewb. After solving it like a Skewb, you can tell which centers are oriented correctly by looking at the small stickers on the edges of the puzzle. If these stickers are the same color and these stickers are the same color, it's a good center that's oriented correctly. If they're not matching like they aren't here, it's a bad center or one that's not oriented correctly. Find which ones are oriented correctly and which are not, and you'll have one of 6 cases. 1. They're all oriented and you have a solved cube. 2. Only 2 adjacent side centers are oriented correctly. Put the good centers on the back and bottom and do the sledgehammer 6 times. You should have a solved cube after that. 3. Only 2 centers are good, but they're on opposite sides of the cube. Just do a setup move to bring the good centers together, and you have the previous case. 4. You have 4 good centers and the 2 bad centers are adjacent to each other. Put the bad centers on the bottom and right and do 6 sledgehammers. Now you have case number 2. 5. You have 2 bad centers like the last case, but they're on opposite sides. Put them at the top and bottom and do 6 sledgehammers to solve to case number 2. 6. None of the edges are oriented correctly. Do 6 sledgehammers from any angle, then you have case number 4. Now, you should have a solved cube. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content like this, and share this video to anyone who might want to solve this cube. I'll see you in my next video.